Hi, good day to everyone. I am Marites. I am the owner of Glamour and Glitz Lady Salon, which we are calling for short like Gigi Lady Salon. For a long time, I was really searching for a business because I need to support my family. It took a long time for me to find this salon. Tinawagan ako nung friend ko, ang sabi niya sa akin may binebentang salon. So at that time, hindi ako makatulog, hindi ako makaisip. So tinawagan ko lahat. In that, for one day, I decided that I will take the salon. Tapos, nung blessing ng salon, ang sabi nung priest, Gigi, which means God-given. Doon talaga ako na-touch. Sabi ko siguro, ito na yung binibigay sa akin ni Lord. Praying ko lang na magtuloy-tuloy sana itong salon. Actually, nung nakuha ko na, ito na yung talagang pangalan niya. Glamour and Glitz Lady Salon. Tapos, para madali siyang matandaan, ginawa namin Gigi Lady Salon. Nung sabi sa akin, nung isang priest, sabi niya, this is God-given. God-given to you. So talagang siguro sabi ko nga, para siguro sa akin to. Kasi almost a year, naghahanap ako ng business. Finally, siguro sabi ko, ito yung binigay ni Lord para sa akin. Nung nakuha ko to, ang pagkakaalam ko is 3 to 4 years nang running ang salon. Nung nabili ko to last November, last year. Mahilig kasi akong magpa-facial, lagi akong pumupunta sa salon. Nung makita ko tong salon, ang ganda ng ambience, talagang mafe-feel mo na pag kinuha mo to, marerelax yung mga clients. Yun yung nag-joke sa akin para kuhanin ko to. Plus, sabi ko, pag hindi ko to kinuha, yung mga staff, so mawawalan sila ng trabaho. Ang inisip ko na lang, kuhanin ko to para sa sarili ko, para matulungan ko yung family ko, at yung sa staff din, para hindi sila mawalan ng trabaho. We are targeting other nationalities. Ino-open namin to lahat. Kaya nga, lady salon. So, lahat mga ladies, hindi po pwede yung mga gents. Kahit mga locals, na alam naman natin ang locals is medyo talaga, privacy ang inaano dito sa salon na to. Kaya lahat ng mga ladies, lahat na gustong magpa-beauty, mag-relax, pumunta lang kayo dito. Kasi yung aming mga staff, very accommodating, very jolly sila. At paglabas ninyo, hindi lang kayo magiging maganda outside, pati inside kasi yung interaction ninyo sa mga staff namin is ma-appreciate nyo silang lahat. As of the moment, I have 5 staffs but I am planning to hire another staff para ma-accommodate lahat ng mga clients at hindi sila naghihintay. So talagang very particular ako sa booking, sa timing. So once ang client is nag-book ng ganito, hindi ka pwedeng mag-accept ng another client. So very strict ako when it comes to appointment para ayoko yung naghihintay ang mga clients kasi lahat naman ayaw maghintay kasi yung mga time natin is very precious. Lahat halos ng services ino-offer namin from nail treatment, nail art, manicure, pedicure, yung gelish, nail extension. Meron din kaming facial, hydrofacial, meron kaming Moroccan bath, meron kaming massage room, meron kami yung Swedish or kung anong gusto nyo, deep tissue massage, Madero, hot stone, hair treatment, keratin, protein, hair color, at very particular ako when it comes to product. Kasi lahat ng mga products na kinukuha ko, gusto ko dine-demonstrate muna sa akin at kung hindi siya acceptable, hindi siya sa standard ko, hindi ko siya kinukuha. Very particular ako when it comes to products. So, meron kami sa Facebook, Instagram, meron din kami sa Google Maps, meron kami sa TikTok, Snapchat, almost all the social medias. Kung gusto nyo namang pumunta dito sa salon, we are located in ADCP Tower B, Unit 303. This is behind City Seasons, same building, Metro Manila Supermarket. I am inviting everyone to come and visit our salon. Our salon is a good ambience to relax and have yourself to look beautiful afterwards. We cater all different nationalities. We have Filipinos, we have Indians, we have Pakistani, we have locals also, and also British people. So please come and join us and try our services. I am sure that you will be satisfied with all the services we have. We do also cater home spa. Like for example, if you don't have time to go to the salon, we can accommodate you as in the home service clients. We will just be in your doorstep, we will give it to you. Try to visit Glamour and Glitz, where beauty meets elegance.